물 있어요. 물 있어요. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is 있어요. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 있다. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 240. Itta. Itta. This pronounced is two-syllable word. The first syllable is it, second syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. Itta. Itta. The word itta means to be, there is, or to have. Again, itta could be used in many various situations like to be, there is, or have. We'll know more about those later, but for now, let's learn first how to write itta in Hangul. The first syllable of itta is it, and this is written in Hangul by drawing first a no-sound ing followed by an e character followed by a double siyat or a sang-siyat character. For the second syllable da, we need to draw first a dikat character followed by an a character. And by the way, if you notice, the first syllable is not pronounced as is, but it is pronounced as it. As you would have known, there are situations wherein siyat is pronounced as t. And this is one among those situations because the siyat character is located at the last position of the syllable. As mentioned, there is a sang-siyat character at the ending of the first syllable. At the same time, this is followed by a dikat character. So, this is not isda, but it is itta. Now, let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, there is water. Again, it says, there is water. The Korean translation of this is 물 있어요. Again, it's 물 있어요. And this is the same phrase flashed at the beginning of the video. For this specific sample, we don't use itta directly, and instead we use the present tense form of it. So we use 있어요. Itta is actually a root verb which means to exist. So this is a verb used to express that something exists, that something is there. This could also be used to express that you have this thing or you have something. Going back to the example sentence, the first part is 물, which means water. So when we say 물 있어요, it means there is water. Or it could also mean I have water. When you put a question mark at the ending of 있어요, this could also be used to ask if there is water or if you have water. And by the way, how do we get 있어요 from itta? We just need to use the normal conjugation method. We remove da from itta, leaving behind it. And then we add oyo, because the last vowel sound is not a or o. So, it plus oyo is 있어요. And if you notice, this time the sang-siyat part has the S sound. So it's not itoyo, but it's 있어요. I think that is something that we need to remember for this specific word. The verb form is itda, and when it is transformed into present tense form, it becomes 있어요. The siyat or a sang-siyat character could be really tricky, so we need to remember it. And again, itta is used to say that something exists. And with that, you've just learned itta. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 230 to 239. But don't forget our word for today, word number 240, itta, which means to exist, or to be there, or to have. Word number 239 is sonyeon, which means boy. Word number 238 is sonyo, which means girl. Word number 237 is mal, which means word or speech. Word number 236 is 아무것도, which means anything or nothing. Word number 235 is nara, which means country. Word number 234 is doshi, which means city. Word number 233 is 화장실, which means bathroom. Word number 232 is 졸업하다. This is a verb which means to graduate. Word number 231 is 년, which means year. And the last for our review, word number 230, 여기, which means here. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.